Sa. Start with Ramachandra. Sa 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 sa. Start with upper sa. Ramachandra Raghuvira. Ramachandra Ranadhira. Ramachandra Raghuvira. Ramachandra Ranadhira. This has to be repeated twice. Ramachandra Raghunatha. Ramachandra Jagannatha. And now the second part. Raghuvira Ranadhira Raghunatha Jagannatha Raghurama Parandhama Mama Bandho Daya Sindho. And you can start again Raghuvira. Ramachandra Raghuvira. Ramachandra Raghuvira. Ramachandra Ranadhira. Ramachandra Raghuvira. Ramachandra Ranadhira. Ramachandra Raghunatha. Ramachandra Jagannatha. Raghuvira Ranadhira. Raghunatha Jagannatha. Raghurama Parandhama Mama Bandho Daya Sindhu. Ramachandra Raghuvira. Ramachandra Ranadhira. This is the main bhajan, and after this you can do Dasharatha Rama Jaya Rama Sita Rama Shri Rama Pavana Rama Pattabhirama Raghukula Soma Shri Rama 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 Jaya Raja Rama 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 Jaya Sita Rama 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 Jaya Raja Rama 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 Jaya Sita Rama. Okay, that's how you can continue Ramanamam and finish the bhajan.